Hello and welcome, children. Today we'll come to know more about the musical maestro, that is Evelyn Glennie. Evelyn Glennie, as in the previous session, I told you that she was being discouraged by most of her teachers, but Ron Forbes is the only teacher who helped her out to learn the music, and he is just like the teacher of Helen Keller, like Miss Sylvian. He helps her a lot, and what he said, teacher, he recognized her potential and he drilled her by playing two large drums to different notes, and he trained her not to hear but feel the music through various parts of her body. And she learned that whatever her teacher told, she learned that is very important. And she says that this proves great for her, and the rest was the strong determination and hard work. My dear children, we have to always remember that hard work is very important. So she did hard work, and today she is the musical maestro, one of the musical maestros worldwide. Evelyn Green never looked back. At the age of 16, she toured UK with a youth orchestra. Okay, she toured the whole United Kingdom with the orchestra. So she kept on working hard on her skills, and she became so famous. We can see this is the some clippings of your textbook where it is written that what are the different places where she went. See, she has audiences. The audiences were delighted by her. She has the prestigious Soloist of the Year award she bagged for herself, and she says, master percussionist James Blades say, God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels for far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. So this is told by one of the very famous music teacher. Evelyn confesses he is also a very famous percussionist, James Blade, who has said this for Evelyn. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. Okay. Now, what is workaholic? We should know workaholic are the people who are very determined and they work very, very hard. They are called workaholic. So, she is workaholic. How she is workaholic? Why she says that I am a workaholic? I have just go to work and often harder and classical musicians, but rewards are enormous. Apart what she says that the regular concert, Evelyn also gives free concert to in prisons and in hospitals. Okay, so she also does a lot of social work. Okay, these are the social works which she does, and for this she never charges any money. She is a shining inspiration for the deaf children. Of course, she is one of the inspiration for the deaf people, and Evelyn has already accomplished more than most people of her age. Even twice of her age has achieved. Okay, so she has brought the percussion to the front of orchestra. So earlier the percussion means the drum was not that important in orchestra, but because of her it has become very important part of orchestra. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped and those who cannot do anything. Okay, and she has given pleasure to millions of people. This we have to remember. These are the various awards which she has got, children. We should know that in the Royal Academy of Music in London, this is the first paragraph that mentions the same thing which is given here. And then in 3 years of the course of this Royal Academy, she got all the top awards. And then in 1991 she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award, and she also got Grammy awards and 15 honorary doctorates. Okay, so these various awards she has been awarded with. I hope that you understood that hard work and our optimism can never take the things which we are having in us and the things which we want to do, even with lot of pain and problem, with lot of obstacles in life also we can do that. From Evelyn Glean we must learn that the hard work and strong determination can make us do all the things which seems impossible, but we can achieve it. Thank you, children.